This is the Victorinox Swiss Card Nail Care. The magnifier is perfect for reading that small print. This comes with a tiny tool that has flat head and Phillips head to allow you to screw those little things that come loose, and also to use it as a little pry bar to open things like cans of soda. It also comes with this tiny little pen, which can come in handy, especially if you need to fill out those cards while you're flying internationally. And of course, the tool that I use the most are these tiny little scissors. And my favorite thing about this is its TSA has never taken it from me.